off, and pairing. Before we begin, make sure that your smartphone and Buds VS102 are next to each other and the earbuds are fully charged. Done? Let's start. Power on. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. The earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Open the charging case and take out the earbuds. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device and open the Bluetooth menu. Now select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Noise Buds VS102. Your Buds VS102 earbuds are now paired and ready to use. Buds VS102 will automatically connect to the last paired device as soon as you take them out of the charging case. Music and volume controls. Music controls. To play pause music, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To go to the next song, long press the right earbud. To go back to the previous song, long press the left earbud. Volume control. To increase the volume, tap the right earbud once. To decrease the volume, tap the left earbud once. Call controls and voice assistant. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, tap either left or right earbud once. To end a call, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To reject an incoming call, touch and hold either left or right earbud for 2 seconds. Activating Voice Assistant. In order to activate Voice Assistant on your Android or iPhone, tap either left or right earbud 3 times.